I'm going to show you how to make a cocktail called the Darb. We're going to start off with some ice. Go ahead and pour that into your glass, just like so. And to that, we are going to add 1 ounce of apricot brandy, which is really, really yummy. We're also going to add in 1 ounce of dry vermouth. You want to keep your dry vermouth refrigerated. That'll make it last a whole lot longer. And then we're also going to add in 1 ounce of gin. And any brand will do, so just pick your favorite. We're then going to add just a splash of sour mix, like so, and we're going to shake this up. I'm now going to strain this into a cocktail glass, otherwise known as a martini glass. Take your strainer, you're going to put that right on top of your shaker, hold it on nice and tight, and tilt. And you will look like a pro. All right. There you have it, a Darb, a delicious, somewhat fruity, but also dry cocktail that you can enjoy anytime. Cheers.